What is up, DGens? I wanted to get on here real quick and talk about one of my favorite altcoins, CHEX. And we're going to go ahead and go over the charts and talk about why we're in such a good spot and why I'm extremely bullish on this coin. So real quick, before I dive into the charts, I'm going to go ahead and talk about what this coin does. This is a RWA token. So this is a real world asset cryptocurrency. And what they're doing is they created a technology that other companies can use to tokenize their assets. It's essentially like Shopify, and they already have the coding built in so that way you could build a website for your company. And so you're utilizing their white label technology. So they have a technology that they're reselling. It's exactly what CHEX is doing, except they're doing it with the tokenization of real world assets. We'll dive into the charts real quick. So honestly, the beginning of January up until today, we've been extremely bearish. Everything's been dumping. The whole market's been bleeding. It's been a freaking bloodbath. But, you know, sometimes you got to put your emotions to the side. And when the market's bleeding and your stomach drops, you got to look at it and be like, I'm gonna buy more. So that's what I've been doing on this entire leg down. I've been buying more and more CHEX. It's essentially dollar cost averaging, right? You're not going to dollar cost average when we're pumping. You want a dollar cost average when we're dumping. It's the best way to make money in the market. I'm going to go ahead and start with the fib. So if we take a look at this fib that I pulled from low to the top, we came into the golden pocket. That's from the 786 to the 618. That's considered the golden pocket. On top of that, if we go into the daily, so you can see, I mean, I'm not crazy big on trend lines, but I do like to draw them ever so often. And so we did break this trend line going upwards, which is bullish. And then on top of that, we had this previous range over here. So I draw a little rectangle from the high of the range to the low of the range. And so that's known as a range-based order block. These are very reactive. And the reason price comes back down to these order blocks is because there's liquidity there. And so that's going to be your whales and your market makers coming down to collect liquidity. And if you're familiar with Market Cipher, it's this indicator down here. We did have money coming out. So money flow was coming out. But if you take a look at that VWAP, that thing's pointing straight up. And on top of that, we're getting some green buy dots, which on the daily chart is huge. I mean, we could take a look down here. What happened the last time we got some buy dots on daily chart? We freaking pumped to the moon. You know what I'm saying? Money flows coming back up. VWAP's pointing straight up. We got a green buy dot. That's freaking bullish, guys. It's freaking bullish. Yeah, as long as Bitcoin continues to perform, we're going to see CHEX explode, guys. Yeah, and what also makes this order block extremely powerful is we also have a strong monthly level there. And then I deleted it, but we had another monthly level right up here in the order block. So yeah, that just gives us extra confidence to know that this is a spot we're very likely to reject from. I believe within the next couple of weeks, especially once Trump is officially in office after inauguration. But yeah, right now we're sitting at 3.8. Our all-time high is at 80 cents. So yeah, I expect to hit that all-time high again within the next couple of weeks. So I mean, even if you guys were to jump in right now, that's an easy 2x. I have greater plans for this coin. I think we're going to see $5 within the next couple of months, if not $10. Yeah, wanted to get on here, guys. Extremely bullish on CHEX. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. They have an official community website where they have all their information, all their clients that they're working with. And they're about to release like another 50 clients into the ecosystem. So yeah, we're super excited. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment down below. And do not forget, if y'all could do me an absolute huge favor, hit the subscribe button. I just started on YouTube and I'm really trying to grow a community. So that would be much appreciated. We'll see you DGens in the next video.